Aging gracefully is a journey that involves nurturing both the body and the heart. For individuals over 60, maintaining physical vitality and emotional intimacy can significantly enhance quality of life. Yoga, an ancient practice rooted in mindfulness and movement, offers a powerful way to improve circulation, boost energy, and foster deeper connections with oneself and loved ones. In this article, we explore 4 transformative yoga poses that promote better blood flow and intimacy, tailored specifically for seniors. These poses are gentle, accessible, and designed to support overall well-being, helping you feel vibrant and connected well into your golden years. YogaForSeniors. As we age, our bodies undergo natural changes that can affect circulation, flexibility, and energy levels. Poor blood flow can lead to fatigue, muscle stiffness, and even cognitive decline, while reduced physical intimacy can strain relationships or diminish emotional well-being. Yoga addresses these challenges holistically by combining gentle movement, breath work, and mindfulness. For seniors, yoga offers the following benefits: improved circulation, gentle stretching and controlled breathing, enhanced blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues and organs. Increased flexibility and strength. Yoga poses help maintain joint mobility and muscle strength, reducing the risk of injury. Stress reduction. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques lower cortisol levels, promoting emotional balance and connection. Enhanced intimacy. By fostering body awareness and confidence, yoga can deepen emotional and physical bonds with partners. Accessibility. Yoga can be adapted for all fitness levels, making it ideal for seniors with varying mobility. The 4 yoga poses outlined below are specifically chosen for their ability to improve circulation and create a sense of closeness, both within oneself and with a partner. Each pose is beginner-friendly, requires minimal equipment, and can be practiced at home. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting a new exercise routine, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. 1. Cat-cow pose, Marjaryasana Bitilasana. Benefits for circulation and intimacy. The cat-cow pose is a gentle spinal flow that promotes blood flow to the back, neck, and core while releasing tension. By coordinating movement with breath, this pose enhances oxygenation of the blood, which is crucial for vitality. The rhythmic motion also fosters mindfulness, helping you tune into your body and emotions. A key component of intimacy. How to practice. Begin on all fours in a tabletop position, with wrists aligned under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly toward the floor, lift your chest and tailbone and look forward, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, and draw your belly in, cat pose. Flow between these poses for 8 to 10 breaths, moving slowly and mindfully. Optional. Practice with a partner, mirroring each other's movements to enhance connection. Tips for seniors. Place a folded blanket under your knees for comfort. Move within a pain-free range, avoiding excessive arching or rounding. Focus on deep, steady breaths to maximize circulation benefits. Intimacy connection. The synchronized breathing and gentle movement of cat-cow create a meditative state, fostering emotional openness. Practicing this pose with a partner can build trust and nonverbal communication, deepening your bond. 2. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Benefits for circulation and intimacy seated. Forward bend stretches the hamstrings, lower back, and calves, stimulating blood flow to the lower body. This pose also massages internal organs, supporting digestive and cardiovascular health. By calming the nervous system, it creates a sense of grounding, which can enhance emotional intimacy. How to practice. Sit on the floor with legs extended straight in front of you. Use a folded blanket under your hips for support if needed. Inhale, lengthen your spine and reach your arms upward. Exhale, hinge at your hips and reach forward toward your toes or shins, keeping your spine long. Hold for 5-8 breaths, relaxing deeper with each exhale. To modify, bend your knees slightly or use a strap around your feet. Tips for seniors: avoid forcing your reach. Focus on lengthening rather than rounding your back. Practice on a chair if floor-based poses are challenging. Extend one leg forward and fold toward it. Use props like cushions to make the pose more comfortable. Intimacy connection. This pose encourages vulnerability and surrender, qualities that translate to emotional intimacy. Sharing this pose with a partner, perhaps by holding hands or guiding each other's stretch, can foster a sense of mutual support and closeness. 3. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. Benefits for circulation and intimacy. Legs up the wall is a restorative pose that improves venous return, reducing swelling in the legs and feet while promoting systemic circulation. Its calming effect lowers stress and enhances relaxation, creating an ideal state for emotional connection. This pose is particularly beneficial for seniors with limited mobility, as it requires minimal effort. How to practice: sit sideways next to a wall, with one hip touching it. Swing your legs up the wall as you lower your back to the floor, forming an L shape with your body. Rest your arms by your sides or on your belly and close your eyes. Stay for 5-10 minutes, breathing deeply. To exit, gently roll to one side and sit up slowly. Tips for seniors: place a folded blanket or bolster under your hips for added comfort. If lying flat is uncomfortable, elevate your upper body slightly with pillows. Avoid this pose if you have glaucoma or uncontrolled high blood pressure. Intimacy connection. The deep relaxation of this pose creates a safe space for emotional vulnerability. Practicing side by side with a partner, perhaps holding hands or sharing a quiet moment, can strengthen your emotional bond and foster intimacy. 4. Bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Benefits for circulation and intimacy. Bridge pose strengthens the glutes, core, and lower back while opening the chest and hips. This gentle back bend stimulates blood flow to the pelvic region and heart, boosting energy and vitality. The pose also promotes confidence and openness, which are essential for physical and emotional intimacy. How to practice: lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart, flat on the floor, close to your hips. Place your arms by your sides, palms down. Inhale, comma press into your feet and lift your hips toward the ceiling, keeping your knees aligned over your ankles. Hold for 5-8 breaths, then slowly lower your hips. Repeat 3-5 times, moving with your breath. Tips for seniors: place a folded blanket under your shoulders for neck support. If lifting is challenging, practice a supported version by placing a block or bolster under your hips. Avoid straining. Lift only as high as feels comfortable. Intimacy connection. Bridge pose opens the heart center, encouraging emotional expression and connection. Practicing this pose with a partner, perhaps by taking turns supporting each other's alignment, can build trust and physical closeness. Integrating yoga into your routine. To maximize the benefits of these poses, aim to practice 3-4 times per week for 15-30 minutes. Create a calming environment with soft lighting and soothing music to enhance relaxation and connection. If practicing with a partner, communicate openly about comfort levels and preferences. Consider the following tips to make yoga a sustainable part of your life. Start slowly. Begin with 1 or 2 poses and gradually build your practice. Use props. Blocks, straps, and blankets make poses more accessible and comfortable. Stay consistent. Even short sessions can yield significant benefits over time. Combine with mindfulness. Pair yoga with meditation or gratitude practices to deepen emotional intimacy. Seek guidance. Join a senior-friendly yoga class or consult a certified instructor for personalized modifications. The ripple effect of yoga on intimacy. Beyond physical benefits, yoga fosters a deeper connection with yourself, which is the foundation of intimacy with others. By cultivating body awareness, reducing stress, and boosting confidence, these poses empower you to engage more fully in relationships. Whether practiced alone or with a partner, yoga creates moments of presence and vulnerability that strengthen emotional bonds. For couples, yoga can be a shared journey of growth and discovery. The act of moving together, breathing in sync, or simply being present in each other's company can reignite closeness and affection. Even solo practitioners may find that the self-love and vitality gained from yoga enhance their interactions with loved ones. Conclusion: aging doesn't mean slowing down. It's an opportunity to embrace vitality and connection in new ways. The 4 yoga poses outlined, cat-cow, seated forward bend, legs up the wall, and bridge, offer a gentle yet powerful path to better circulation and intimacy after 60. By incorporating these poses into your routine, you can enhance physical health, reduce stress, and deepen emotional bonds. Whether you're practicing solo or with a partner, yoga invites you to move, breathe, and connect with intention, helping you live vibrantly in your golden years.